It's time to sound off. Let's check the messages on the 1250 Sound Off line. Brought to you by Legends of the Field in Delafield. Go to legendsofthefield.com for legendary sports memorabilia.
This is the Buffster from Waupun. Let me tell you something right now. Are you f***ing kidding me? We lost 2 straight to the f***ing Reds. Is this organization we call the... Come on, hit the music for me right now, brothers. Come on, Brewers. This team's a f***ing joke.
It's time to sound off. Let's check the messages on the 1250 Sound Off line. Brought to you by Legends of the Field in Delafield. Go to legendsofthefield.com for legendary sports memorabilia.
This is the Buster from Waupun. Hey, Gary, just listening to your comments about Squad 6. First off, all you gotta say is, are you stupid? I can totally tell right now you're played for the Badgers because the Wisconsin Badger crowd is one of the worst I've ever heard in my life. You know how bad they are? Yeah, this is the Buffster from Waupun. Get your sensors ready. If the Brewers don't them team.
You can reach 1250 WSSP, Milwaukee sports leader, any day and at any time. Call the 1250 Sound Off line at 414-448-2162. That's 414-448-2162. Leave us a message and then listen for the replay at 8:50 during Doug and Mike and at 5:50 on The Big Show. The 1250 Sound Off line, brought to you by Legends of the Field in Delafield. Go to legendsofthefield.com for legendary sports memorabilia. We are 1250 WSSP, Milwaukee sports leader.